This is a quick tutorial on how to power down your 2 gig system. Above the panel there's an actual screw. You'll need a precision screwdriver. I'll be using a flathead. Once the screw out, the panel can pop right off. Once you pop that off, the tamper will hear. You'll know that you've taken the keypad off. There's a convenient strap there that you can use to hold the panel. As you can see, the strap helps you hold the panel in place as you work on stuff in the panel. Next, we're going to take the battery and unplug it. And then we're also going to take the power off of the panel and screw 1 and 2. By taking the power off of 1 and 2 and unplugging the battery, you're able to power down the 2 gig.